Good morning. We just replaced this rubber air intake pipe. The old one was cracked. I've got a flashlight in there. You can see the cracking. I had temporarily put some tape on it until this came in. This was actually just found by accident. So anyway, I ordered this on Amazon, I believe it was. I'll put a link in the description for this rubber piece. It fit pretty good. This angle of this is just a little bit odd, but I think it'll work just fine. And I did have to replace this hose here. So this thing is 24 years old and these hoses are going to be pretty brittle and hard. And I believe the process that worked best was to loosen this here and push everything back to get all of this out and then kind of puzzle it back together. So anyway, it fits pretty good. It was fairly cheap. And I got one of the struts put on. I'm still waiting on the brakes to come in. So we did get the driver's side strut put in. It was 3 15mm nuts, and you'll need a 19mm wrench and a 19mm socket. So pretty easy. And so anyway, that's that. I will make a video on putting the brakes together and installing this passenger side strut. So thanks for watching.